The date was October 14, 1947. The place, the North Atlantic. The American-owned flying boat, the Bermuda Sky Queen, on its way from Ireland to Newfoundland, was running low on fuel. The pilot decided to fly towards the Coast Guard Cutter Bibb on Ocean Station and then ditched his plane close enough so that the passengers and crew could be picked up by the Bibb. An initial attempt to pass a line from the cutter to the plane failed, so in gale-force winds and 30-foot seas, the Bibb's crew used a 15-man rubber raft and a small boat to rescue all 69 passengers and crew. Considered one of the greatest rescues of all time, the Bibb and her crew received a hero's welcome when they arrived in Boston. This has been a Coast Guard moment.